Hey team, so we've just landed in Toulouse, in France. So we're going to jump out of the plane and go to Toulouse airport and head on our way to Fiona Minoir. See you soon.
Hello, my name's Alan.
And I'm Vanessa. Nicola.
Bonjour, Monsieur Rob.
Excellent.
Anyway, so this is Alan's idea, and this is why we're here.
He was the brains of the operation.
Yeah.
And the brawn is sitting on to my right.
Yeah, I realised I was, not bright enough to realise what I was getting myself into.
So we're in the sunny Minoir, rosé country, and about a year ago had this idea to get together as a team and work on a house which has been described as a pile of rocks. Pretty accurate. Yeah. A lot of work there, I think.
Yeah.
But I think we're going to transform it. It's going to be an amazing home for Rob and Nicola.
Yep.
To have their French place in the future. We're excited.
It's a good project.
Yes.
And we're just being French.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So I guess the point of this whole video is to talk about what we're going to do, how we're going to do it, and hopefully try and put together a little bit of footage over the period of time that they were working, and share it all with you at home. So, please watch, like, and subscribe.
It's going to be an exciting journey. Please join us.
I can't wait.
To watch along.
No, not that record. I just pushed the wrong record.
Ah.
Voici votre nouvelle maison.
This is it.
Voici votre nouvelle maison.
That's not even going to be fixed. Anybody's going to fix it.
Top it.
This is just superficial. Nice door, look. I love the door.
There's a spouting missing for the roof.
Alan, looks like the power's been done, look.
No, I didn't think it has.
That wasn't there before.
Yeah, it was. It's always been there.
Black?
That's been there,
Yeah.
been there for about 100 years, I think.
No, the black one.
Yes.
Windows are open.
That one's blocked from the other side.
Hey kids, Zara, Zara's here, that's fine. Please, come here, love.
It's a big job, isn't it?
Yeah.
You ain't seen nothing yet.
No, we get round to the garden too.
Yeah. This is nice and warm.
Yeah, this wall's perfectly solid.
Right, just stop videoing from me.
Perfectly solid. No, this you won't need to live with that. That's all solid. Fine. It's a cool window.
It's not that solid, I just pulled a bit off before.
No, the creepy's one thing, but it's got stone under it. Most of the
That wall's quite high, isn't it? It's a lot higher than I thought it was.
Yeah. And the problem is with a bin, is what I'm thinking.
That's why we need to take this out here.
And then you're going to put the bin in here,
Yeah.
provided the truck can...
Well, it'll just drop it in here.
However, we haven't got a bin yet, have we?
Dog bones.
And look, you've got
Road
someone
signs.
set the barbecue there for you.
There's a barbecue.
That's new.
Is that new, is it?
Yeah, it wasn't here last time.
Oh.
Wait.
Might be the neighbours, of course, just storing it there.
And this is the roof. The roof is on fire.
I don't know what's in there.
Lots of rubbish. Oh, that's the roof.
Out of my bottom. She does that.
It's a lot smaller in here than I thought.
Ah, we need
Yeah,
that.
that's why when you were talking about pool and everything, like,
It's a lot smaller.
that's why they were saying they think it's almost essential to just take knock that out because you will gain about 3 metres, or maybe 2 metres.
Yeah.
Because you've got enough house actually when you go inside.
Yeah.
You don't need extra house, you need extra garden.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. It's going to be a big job. That's all right. We're going to have a hole through there very shortly. Yeah. It'll be cold. But yeah, all quite solid. These stones last hundreds of years.
Millions even. Most stones, don't they?
This is mortar. Hopefully it's mortar, not cement.
This is a new wall.
Yeah. So we want to take some of that off so we can get access.
Because the car not going to fit through
So
there.
the car won't fit through there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh, more rubbish. Oh, wow.
Sit back out there.
Holy, 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 holy. Oh boy, oh boy.
Eh?
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Oh my god. Oh! Oh! You like these doors, don't you?
Yeah, they're pretty good, I think. Oh, that's good.
I mean, I could crawl under there.
That wall's quite high the way. I think we have to knock the internal wall and open it up. Unfortunately, because
See, that wall there is fine, isn't it?
Yeah.
yeah,
So that's in good condition.
Yeah.
Did you have
Sarah, want to come out and look inside?
The grand opening. Oh, Robbie, you're going to carry me across.
Carry you across.
I love what you've done with the place, Rob.
Gonna try and.
Just there, on some of these bits, all their nails and stuff sticking out. So just
Oh, be careful, Bubba. Hold my hand.
be really careful, Sarah.
Hold my hand.
Don't step on it.
Oh, it's nice and cool in here.
Sure is.
Nice and
I
cool.
came in before and a bird flew out from here.
Oh,
Scared the crap out of him.
Oh, so this is the kitchen. This is nice.
Yeah, this is.
You can actually almost cook. There's already a fireplace.
We've got so much demo to do.
We've
Eh?
done so much work in this already.
Yeah.
Are you happy with this?
Well done, guys.
We made the paint look old. You like that? It's a good effect, isn't it?
It's a nice texture.
I like how the skylight's coming through, you know, and there's a bit of light.
The
on.
indoor
I mean,
outdoor.
to be fair, this is the worst part. The rest of it's in much better shape.
So, to be fair, this is the worst part.
It's more the indoor flow of water.
Right.
Through that.
Right. And the,
And there's, but wait, there's more.
the